Children, let us find out the square root of decimal numbers. Here 2.56. As the procedure, that means how we find the square root using division method, the same method we are following. 2.56. 56 in one group, 2 in another group. 2 lies between 1 and 4. So write 1 here, 1 into 1, 1. Then 5, 6. Here after subtracting we want to write 1, so here 1 5 6, so no need to write point, so we want to write point here only, no need to write point, it is only 156. Since the number is ending with a 6, either 4 or 6, let us write 6 here, then 6 into 6 36, 6 into 2 12 plus 3 50, so the answer is 156. Then next one 7.29. 7 lies between 4 and 9, so we want to write 2 2s are 4, that means 2 we want to write, 2 into 2, that 2 also we want to write here, 2 into 2 4, subtracting we will get 3, then write 29 here, 2 9, since 9 is the ending number, either 3 or 7, so we want to write, if we are writing 3, then the number is 43 into 3, so it is 100 something, so we want to write 7 into 7 49, 4 remaining, 7 into 4 28 plus 4 32, so the answer is 329 and the square is 2.7. The same way we can do 51.84. Then 51.84, 51 in one group, 84 in another group. 51 lies between 49 and 64. So we want to write 7. 7 into 7, 49. After subtracting, we get 2. Write 84. Then if you are writing the double of 7, it is 14. Since the number is ending with the 4, either 2 or 8. Let us start with the 2. That 2 also we want to write after putting the decimal. Then 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 1, 2. So the square root of 51.84 is 7.2. Then next 42.25. Take the group 42 and 25. 42 lies between 36 and 49, so we want to write 6 here. 6 into 6 36, subtracting we will get 6, write 25, then here decimal point we want to write, then double of 6 12, number ending with 5, clearly it is 5, so 5 into 5 25, here 1 25 into 5, so 5 into 5 25, 2 is the 5 into 2 10 plus 2 12, 5 into 1 5 plus 1 6, so the square root of 42.25 is 6.5. Then the last one 31.36. the same way we want to find the number where it lies, that is in between 36 25 and 36. That means 31 lies between 25 and 36. So we want to write 5 here. So 5 into 5 25. Subtracting 6. Write down 36. Then 10 is the number. Double of 5. Number ending with the 6. So after checking we can say that 6 comes here, that also we want to write in the top. Then 6 into 6 36, 3 is remaining, 6 into 0 0 plus 3 3, 6 into 1 6, so 5.6. Next question, which number to be subtracted from the given numbers to get a perfect square? So here we want to use the division method for finding that number. Here the question is which is the number to be subtracted from given numbers to get a perfect square. Here 402 is the number. As in the previous cases, how we find out the numbers using division method, the same method we are following. After doing the first process, we got 02 here, that is a remainder. So which number to be subtracted? So 402 minus the remainder 02. So the number is 400. So we know that 400 is a perfect square. The next one, 1989. Here after doing the process, we got 53 as the remainder. So we want to subtract 53 from 1989. Then we got 1936, that is a perfect square. Division method is using for finding the remainder, and we want to subtract the remainder from the given number. The next one, 3250. Here after calculating the number, we got 1 as a remainder. So we want to subtract 3250 minus 1, that is 1 from the given number. Then we got 3249. The next 825. Here 41 is the remainder. Subtract 41 from 825 to get the perfect square 784. The last one, 4000. Here after doing the division process, we got 31 as the remainder. Subtract 31 from 4000 to get the perfect square 3969. Then the reverse process. Which number must be added to get a perfect square? So here also we are using the division method, but only change is that we want to check the quotient. What is the quotient? Here we got 22, but we got the remainder as 41. That means 22 square is less than 525. 22 square is less than 525. That is why we got the remainder 41. Then we want to take 23 square. Since 22 square is less than 525 and the number 525 lies between 22 square and 23 square. That is 22 square less than 525, which is less than 23 square. So we want to find 23 square. Then that is 529. Subtract the given number from 529. That is 529 minus 525, 4. So we want to add 4 with the given number to get a perfect square. Let us look into the next example, 1750. Here 69 is the remainder. That means the quotient we got 41. 41 square is less than 1750. Then we want to find the next number square, which is the next number to 41. It is 42. So 42 square is 1764. So we want to add 14 with 1750 to get 1764. Since 1764 minus 1750 is equal to 14. Then next 252. Here 16 got as the quotient and remainder is 27. Next number is 252. Here we got the quotient as 15 and the remainder as 27. That means 15 square is less than 252. Then we want to find 16 square, that is 256. So we want to add 4 with the 252 to get 256. The next one, sixth question. Find the length of the side of a square of area 441. What is the area of a square? That is a square. A square is 441. So a is equal to square root of 441. Then after doing the division method, we got the square root of 441 as 21. Then next, in a right triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is given as 90 degree and BC is 8 centimeter and AB is 6 centimeter. So we studied Pythagoras theorem last year, that is base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That is 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. Adding we got 100, that is AC square. So AC equal to root of 100 equal to 10. That is AC is square root of 100, that is 10. Therefore the hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. The eighth one, a gardener has 1000 plants and he wants to plan in such a way that number of columns and number of rows are equal. And find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. So now some plants are remaining, but he wants some more plants to make it a square. That means here if number of columns and number of rows are equal, it will be a square like this. Here number of rows and number of columns are equal, that is it is a 4 by 4 square. The same way we want to find the square root of the given number. Here 1000 plants are there. We want to find the square root of 1000. After finding the square root, we got 39 as the remainder, since 1000 is not a perfect square. So 31 square is less than 1000. Then what is 32 square? That is 1024. So we want to add 24 with the 1000 to get a perfect square, that is 32 square. That means he wants 24 plants more to make such a pattern. Then ninth question, there are 500 students in a school. For a PT drill they have to stand in such a way that the number of columns and number of rows are equal. So the same way the students are standing in a way that number of rows and number of columns are equal. Here how many students want to remove from that to make it a perfect square? So how many children want to remove means we want to find the remainder. Here 16 is the remainder, so we want to subtract 16 from the given number. Since 500 students are there, we want to subtract 16 from 500. Then it become a perfect square, that is 484.